This key lesson is the voice of our intuition. One way to accelerate soaring transformation is to learn to listen to that still small voice of our intuition. Your intuition is your higher voice, your higher knowing. It is source energy, and it will never lead you wrong. Now that we have a greater awareness and understanding of the power of our inner spirituality, of our connection with the universe, and that power that lies within us, we can now make choices on a whole new level of empowerment. You know, just as we were a small child, we did not always know the importance of reading, writing, math, science. Yet, the more we learned, the more we grew and expanded, and we were able to do more, be more, have more. It is no different here. All we require is the willingness to hear, a willingness to know, to learn, and to take action. Intuition, your small, still voice, is one of your 6 mental faculties. We all have them. They are imagination, intuition, will, perception, memory, and reason. Our mental faculties are the interface between us and the infinite intelligence. It is the intelligence system that is in you to be and to guide you, because this part of you knows way more than your reasoning mind knows. The voice of truth is as loud as our willingness to listen. And that's a quote by Gandhi. So have you ever heard that voice of intuition, or you felt that nudge and ignored it? Or you talked yourself out of something that you intuitively knew, and you said, "Oh, my intuition was right." Our inner voice is always existence in our lives, but we do not always recognize it. We all have that inner voice. Your tool here is to pay attention to it. We know that it guides us on the right path, but we do not always listen. So building a familiarity with our inner guide, our intuition, is going to allow us to find answers to questions within ourselves. The more we use it, the stronger it will become. Like a cherished friend whose voice we recognize when we hear it. The corresponding exercise that I've provided for you will take you further into recognizing your voice of intuition. It is our voice of truth, and it speaks to us every day, as long as we are willing to listen to it. What does your voice of truth say to you about your vision, about the things that you are bringing into existence? Write down a few recurring thoughts that come to your mind when you allow yourself to listen to your voice of truth. How does your voice of intuition show up? Does it show up as a flash of inspiration? Maybe in a dream? A breakthrough idea that may come while you are visualizing your goal, or as a hunch? Do you get that gut sense? Or maybe you get a mental imagery. There is an answer to every question and a solution to every problem.